Let us now apply what we have learned to reduce the following fractions to their lowest term. This time, the fractions we are working with are 20 over 30 and then 22 over 44. Solution. To question 1, we are to reduce 20 over 30 to its lowest form. And as said before, to reduce a fraction to its lowest term, you will divide the numerator and denominator by the same number, which is a factor of both numbers. And you do this until you have gotten to the lowest possible fraction that do not have any further factor that they can be divided by. So in this case, let's start with a common factor of 2. So we divide the numerator by 2 and the denominator by 2. This would bring us to 20 divided by 2, that is 10. 30 divided by 2, that is 15. Now we have a fraction which is 10 over 15. Now, this is not the lowest form because there's still a factor. And the factor this time would be 5. So we continue by now doing 10 divided by 5 over 15 divided by 5. And what is 10 divided by 5? That is 2. And then 15 divided by 5 would give us 3. Now at this point, there is no other factor that can divide both the numerator and the denominator. Therefore, the lowest form of this fraction, 20 over 30, is 2 over 3. To the second question in this example, we'll be working with 22 over 44. And a factor that divides both the numerator and the denominator is 2. So divide both of them by 2. And this would give us 22 divided by 2, 11. 44 divided by 2, 22. Now, 11 is divisible by 11. And 22 is also divisible by 11. So that's a common factor. So we apply that. 11 divided by 11. And then 22 divided by 11. And this would give us 1 over 2, which is the lowest form or the lowest term of the fraction 22 over 44. This is how we bring a fraction to its lowest term. Thank you.